Over the last few years, vaping has exploded in popularity nationwide. While it was once looked at as a safer alternative to smoking,
This isn't so good as you all think it is.
Lee Health nurse practitioner Arnold Facklam says the problem isn't necessarily the vapor, but the chemicals in the product.
The delicate tissue of the lungs was not meant for some of these chemicals to go in there that we just, give a pass to.
The additives that add flavor or thicken it up can cause an inflammatory response called EVALI.
The oxygen that's going in and the CO2 that's going out aren't working in conjunction with each other.
This can cause respiratory failure and even be deadly. It's also increasingly common in young people.
The first double lung transplant related to this was a teenager.
Facklam says recovery is possible, but quitting any kind of smoking or vaping is imperative.
You typically would use corticosteroids to help to reduce the inflammation, and then a lot of supportive care. If they become hypoxic because of this, they might need supplemental oxygen to go about their day.
If you're already addicted to nicotine, he recommends nicotine patches over e-cigarettes. Talk to your primary care or family physician about options. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.